How to find square root of 6.25 by long division method? At first you need to make pair. For whole number part you need to make pair from the right side of your decimal point, and for decimal part of this decimal number you need to make pair from this side, that is left to your left side to your right side after decimal. So this is our first pair. You can consider here a 0, but we don't need it because it doesn't have any value, and this is your second pair after decimal. Now consider this pair 6. Take here number whose square is equal to 6 or nearest to 6. So if you take here 2 square equal to 4, but if you take here 3 square equal to 9, which is greater than 6. So 2 is correct. 2 same digit will come to the quotient side also. 2 times 2 4. If you subtract you are getting 2. Okay, since you have placed here 2, same digit will come here under the division. I need to add. To continue this process, bring down the next pair. Before this pair there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Now here you have to consider here a digit. Same digit will come here, and you need to multiply. If you take here, look, 5, same digit will come here. 5 times 45. 5 times 5, 25, write 5, carry 2 to the next column. 5 times 4, 20 plus 2, 22. That is, our product is 225, which is equal to this. So our guessing number 5 is correct. So 5 times 45, 225. If you subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 2.5. Since you have placed here 5, so same digit will come under this divisor, and you need to add. 5 plus 5, 10, write 0, carry 1 to the next column. 4 plus 1, 5, look. Without decimal, this is 25. The double of 25 is 50. So this indicates that our answer is correct, 2.5. So the square root of 6.25 by long division method is 2.5.